In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install SketchUp for free vertical bar Windows 10 and 11 guide. This is simple, and the process mainly depends on whether you want the free web-based version or the desktop trial version. SketchUp is owned by Trimble, and while the Pro version is subscription-based, they still offer free access options through SketchUp, free browser-based and trial downloads of SketchUp Pro. To get started, head over to the official SketchUp website in your favorite web browser and create a Trimble ID, which you'll use to log in. Once signed in, you can access SketchUp free directly in your browser without installing anything. This option is great if you're just learning or working on small projects. However, if you prefer the desktop version, you can download the SketchUp Pro 2025 free trial. Simply go to the download section, select SketchUp Pro 2025, choose Windows as your operating system, and begin the download. After downloading the installer, run the setup file and follow the installation wizard. You'll be asked to accept the license agreement, choose an installation location, and confirm before installation begins. Once installed, launch SketchUp 2025 and sign in with your Trimble ID. If you're using the trial, you'll get full access to the Pro version for 30 days. For continuous free use, you can always switch back to SketchUp free in your browser after the trial expires. On Windows 10 or 11, SketchUp 2025 should run smoothly as long as your computer meets the system requirements. Ideally, you'll need at least 8GB RAM, a modern multi-core CPU, and a dedicated graphics card with updated drivers to handle 3D modeling effectively. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.